Hello guys. Today, for the second day, it was a good day, but in the morning it was going so bad. So before, in the morning, at the beginning, like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, I begin to see where the market is, and then I begin to short. Now the shorting was very good until 1 or 2 o'clock, and then things change, and then the market goes back long, and the day was green, but before it was red. So in order to make money, you should just check the beginning of the day and the end of the day. Okay, things will change already, but the main thing is 2 days it is green. But understand that it doesn't mean that we are in a bull market. We are still in the bear market. Now, for me, what I'm going to do, I'm going to see if this will continue for 1 week or 2 or 3, or it will collapse again. Okay, so I will show you what I see. So this is the chart. Let's go with the Dow Jones. Okay, check this one. So this is the correction, as I told you before. Now, in the whole market, or when we see the news like CNN, they speak about this. This line is what we call the year to date. It means what does the market do from the beginning of the year till now. So it's down, so they lose money. But for me, I'm looking for this line, which is the correction line. Now it's going up, as you can see. Now if tomorrow it crosses, we will be in what we call the correction era, between the high of the year and the low of the year. Okay, now, but here what I am going to do, I put a line here, which is the low of this candlestick, which is 216.97. Okay, 97. This is okay, this is the low of this year. Okay, now if the market goes down again to this line and crosses, we have another confirmation of the bear market. Okay, but if the market goes above this resistance line, okay, the low, it means the low of the correction. Understand that I put this line here, the red. Now this, okay, I can change the color here. Let's say this is the low of the year, and this is the low of the correction. So please try to make the difference. Okay, now, so I will be waiting. If it crosses the line, this red line, we will be in the correction again, and we might be going to the break even of the year. It means for investors, no one has made money, no one has lost money if it goes to this line. But we have only 2 days. It means Friday and Monday, 31st of December, and then on Wednesday we will begin a new year, which is 2019. Okay, so we will be looking at this, and if you can see the other, so we look at Russell 2000. It doesn't go that much, okay, as the other indexes. The bear market is very, very strong on the Russell 2000. S&P 500, it's the same as Dow Jones. Okay, we will make another line here, and then we will see. But as I told you, Russell 2000, the line is so near from, see here, 125.84. Yes, 125.81. 125.81. So this is the new low that we have. So from 125.81 So we have here, all this is $7, all this that you can see. But today, that's why I shorted the whole index, which is Russell 2000. So in the beginning, I have been making money, and then I sold with profit, because later it was going up, going up, going up. And I can show you the 5 minutes that I have done. Okay, so this here, Russell 2000 was going down, okay, was going down, going down, going down, going down, going down, until here, until this time here, it was 2 o'clock 25. And then you see the new trend, okay, you see the small trend here from 127.91 to 132. Okay, so you see it's a $5 from 225. It means 1 hour and a half. This goes $5, and then in the morning it was going down from 130. It goes to 127. It is $3. Okay, $3 going down. I was shorting here, and then it has been going up, so I sold. Now, this is I always use 5 minutes because this is the time I feel comfortable with. I don't use other kinds. 5 minutes is good for me. And as you can see, Russell looks strong at the end of the day. So we will see tomorrow what will happen. So the main thing I'm telling you, try not to go for long, like swing trading, especially these days. Okay, so each day is unique. You will never know if there is a reverse at any time. Okay, so don't think that because of these two green candlesticks that, okay, we are in a bull market and the stock market will go again. No. Okay, it's still volatile. So in the morning, always try to check at 9:30, 10 o'clock, 1, 2, 3, 4. It means you check the whole day if you are a day trader. Okay, so this is the main thing, and this is how the people make money. It means you look when there is an opportunity to buy, you buy. When there is not, you stay away from the market until you see an opportunity, as I showed you right now, to buy, for example, at the end of the day. And you see it was so strong at the end of the day, although at first it was going down. Okay, so thank you very much. We have only tomorrow night, Friday, and then we have Monday if God wills, and then we finish with 2018, and then we will be in 2019 if God wills. Thank you very much for watching. Please share my videos in Facebook or Twitter or whatever you have, and have a good night. Thank you.